Hello guys, this is Hunger Dragon Chef again. We are here in Chinatown Alley. May nakita ako dito na Filipino-Canadian bake shop. And then we will try this specialty nila, yung ubi and saimada. Come on, let's in. Guys, ito yung in-order ko. Matitikman nyo yun. Dalawang flavor sa isang bilog o sa isang pack na ganito. Dalawa na siya. So, kung favorite mo yung ube and then the classic one. So, this is the best. Try this ube. This is, as I told, this is one of my favorite ube flavor. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, this is a real ube on top of this. And then as you can see, the bread, very soft. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Not too sweet. Hindi masyadong mahilig sa sweet. This is the perfect bread that you're gonna eat it. Freshly baked. So every day. So wala silang, for example, leftover and then they're gonna sell it the next day, so hindi ganun. The rest of the bread, if there's some leftover, they're gonna donate it. So, tingnan mo nyo naman, di ba? Kahit small business lang siya, tinatry pa rin nila na tumulong sa iba. Not only for the Filipino community. I'm gonna try this one also. So, this one is the classic ensaymada. I'm gonna try this one. This one, it was balanced, like there's a saltiness came from the cheese and then same like very soft and there's some cream cheese in the top of this bread. Kung favorite nyo talaga ang cheese, so eto, so tamang-tama combination na ng ube and then the cheese and saimada. It's very good. Come over and try this one. They have like a variety of bread over here. So, ito nga pala, meron tayong isang kababayan dito na tatanungin natin kung ano sa kanila ang bestseller. Ate, kumusta po?
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Buti na po,
okay.
sir.
Taga saan kayo sa atin?
Taga Cebu po ako. Tapos yung may-ari po, taga Cavite.
Oh, taga Cavite.
Yes po.
Pares pala kami taga Cavite. Pwede mo ba sa amin i-explain kung ano yung bestseller niyo? Ano ang pang mai-recommend niyo sa mga customer niyo? At least para makapunta rito.
Yes po.
At matraya.
Actually, we try to monitor our bread that is freshly baked every morning. And then, we have the specialty, the ube.
Oh,
we have this one.
That is one of my favorite anyway.
Po.
This is one of my favorite. I will recommend it to you guys to come over and then try this one. This is one of my favorite.
Ube cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have also variety of ube. We have ube kababayan, but we sold out.
Yeah.
It
Kababayan's
is mostly sold out.
Same place or in our country, like in the came from the Philippines basically. Okay.
Yes.
Ano pa ba yung
We have
best selling?
also this one, di ba, popular sa atin yung pandesal
Yes.
and cheese pandesal, and also this Spanish bread. And most the ensaymada are now sold out.
Sobrang sarap nun.
Yes,
Sobrang sarap.
And we have also the ube cheese roll. Yes po, most of the ube po are very popular and mostly sold po agad.
Actually,
yes po.
honestly, ang paborito ko talaga is ube.
Yes
ube
po.
talaga. Talagang yan yung kinakain ko every time like pupunta ako sa bakery, naghahanap ako ng ube. Even sa ice cream, gusto ko yan. Lagyan mo ng ice cream yung pandesal natin na classic. Yung pandesal, just put a ice cream on that. Oh, very nostalgic. Parang maaalala mo nung bata ka pa, nung nasa Pilipinas ka pa.
Yes.
So, it's amazing. Ate, gano'n ito katagal itong small bake shop niyo
Yes
dito?
po, actually po, February 19, our first year anniversary po.
Wow!
Was po.
February 19, oh,
Yes!
it's almost coming now.
Yes po.
Yeah, at least, di ba, yung local natin dito kasi talagang dapat natin i-suportahan tong mga kababayan na natin na nag-start ng business na ganito. And then gusto nating mas mapalaki pa. Kaya i-promote natin tong local businesses, kababayan natin from the Philippines here in Victoria. Pakisabi nyo na lang po kung anong address ninyo rito para
Yes
at
po,
least
it's 101 Fantan Alley, Victoria, near, Chinatown. Yes po. And we're also po helping Coolidge Society. Our bread, when it's 1 day old or just we donate it in Coolidge Society or St. Paul Society.
Wow.
And also, we're helping po Zoe's Foundation in the Philippines po. A part of this proceeds for this bakery
It's gonna
po.
be success.
Oh, thank you po.
Oo, kasi talagang meron din silang tinutulungan, guys, na can you imagine that kahit na small lang yung
Yes
bake
po.
shop nila, pero they will try to help to those people who needs like some helps. Even like not here, even in the Philippines. So please guys,
Yes po.
please guys, come in and then support this local bake shop. So
Thank you po.
yeah, ano pa po bang po pwede nating invite nyo lahat,
Yes
kahit
po.
sino, para at least come over here. Not
Yes
only
po.
not only Filipino, just invite those people who gonna watch us because it's gonna be popular in the future.
Po, pagpunta po kayo ng Victoria, doon po kayo ng Fantan Alley. This is Friends and Family Bake po. Open po kami Tuesday until Saturday. And then Sunday, it's 11 to 6 p.m. And Monday, we're closed po kasi day off po ng mga baker. Yun.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, good afternoon. Here we go again. I'm Hunger Dragon Chef. We are here in a Benjamin Cafe. So as you can see over here, this is a new Filipino restaurant here in Victoria. We got this order. They have like a platter, something like that, and then I'm gonna order this one. In order ko tong platters na to because very affordable, especially sa grupo. Meron silang only rice garlic. I have here a pork sisig. I have like a bulalo Batangas, and I got like a barbecue skewer, and also I have like a spring roll, and then I order separately a tuna sisig because I love tuna. Honestly, I love the kind of like presentation like this. And also I have like a special pansit palabok. I'm gonna try all of this. Tara, let's eat. First dish ng Filipino ito. So that's why I need to try this one also. Yung sinasabi nating traditional Filipino sisig, eto siya. Kung hinahanap mo yung traditional, this is the one. Hindi siya fatty or mataba. Pag kinain mo siya, there's a lot of like components na makakain mo. And there's some crispy also. Crispy, soft, inside hindi masyado siyang mamantika. Kaya the best. Recommended ko rin din sa inyo. And then take note, meron silang garlic rice. So unlimited garlic rice. Kung pupunta kayo dito na grupo kayo, this is the best thing that you're gonna order. Ito yung platters. Kasi talagang super sulit lahat. Garlicky, talagang the best. Ito yung kung tawagin natin is lumpiang Shanghai. Hindi ko alam kung bakit lumpiang Shanghai. Anyway, siguro nanggaling sa China and then dinala sa Pilipinas and then tayo na lang ang nag-develop. Pero alam mo, ang sarap nito. Sobrang sarap ng spring roll nila. Talagang meaty yung loob. Kasi yung ibang, alam mo yung ibang spring roll is like more on wrap. But eto, masarap, meaty siya. Hindi siya yung maraming wrap na nakabalot. Kaya, it's so good. And then, they have also like a pork barbecue. This is a pork belly. Pork barbecue. Ito yung minarinate nila. And then, skewer, grill nila. And then, I have like a vinegar here. to balance the sweetness, the fats mixed with the meat. Kaya masarap siya talaga. And then, ito yung isa sa mga famous nila na bulalo nila. I'm gonna try this bulalo. Oh, this is very good. Yung lasa ng bone marrow, malalasahan mo talaga sa sabaw. Tapos yung karne, look at this. Look at the meat. It's almost like full. Sobrang lambot. Hindi mo kailangan mag-effort. Hindi mo kailangan mag-effort na kainin to kasi sobrang lambot. You know? And then yung sabaw, sobrang sarap. It's so good. Sobrang sarap. Ang lasang-lasa mo yung buto. Lasang-lasa mo yung alam mo yung pinakuluan ng matagal, yung talaga nag-effort ka na pakuluan yung beef, yung bone marrow talagang lumabas doon sa buto. Okay, I'm gonna try this palabok. You know, palabok this is parang it's a kind of like stir fry but meron siyang a different toppings na which is pag pinagsama-sama mo siya, it's magbibigay siya ng more, you know, more flavor. Meron silang boiled egg, meron silang coarse garlic, tinapa flakes. This is a smoked fish, onion, shrimp, and all there's some ground pork. And then the most important is the sauce, this one. It's so good. This is so good. So you have to mix everything. Para mas lalong lumabas yung lasa ng palabok. Ako gusto ko sa isang palabok, saucy siya. Once na kinain mo yung noodles, hindi yung bland yung lasa ng noodles. Kasi pag kukonti lang yung sauce niya, very bland yung lasa ng noodles. Kasi syempre, rice vermicelli itong ginagamit natin, you know. Ang sarap. This one, kung meron kang kalamansi, sa Pilipinas is parang lemon siya pero maliit lang siya, kulay green. Kaya I'm gonna put a little bit of acid sa palabok para mas more balance yung lasa. Kung may kalamansi ka or lemon, it's okay. Para yun yung traditional na palabok ng Pilipino. It's so good. So much better, like you have to put some acid in it. Para malang mag-mix lahat ng kung ano yung nasa plate niya, yung component niya sa loob. Okay.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, umorder nga pala ako ng dessert dito. Ito yung isa sa mga best seller nila. Very traditional to. Ito yung tinatawag na halo-halo. In English is mix-mix. Kasi halo-halo eh. So, sa loob nito, there's a lot of like toppings anyway. Meron silang leche flan, meron silang, I think that was like a cereal, and then ubi ice cream. They have also like a jelly inside of this, and then there's a mango, there's a black beans, nata de coco, kaong, and then there's a lot of like milk. Ito yung gatas na condensed, evaporada. Yun, hindi ko alam tuloy kung ano yung condensed or evaporada. Evaporada, ito yung malabnaw na gatas. Tara, let's eat! Alam niyo guys, kahit malamig sa labas, pag kumain ka nito, wala lang. Kasi alam mo yun, kahit na ang dami mong kinain na pagkain dito, once na kumain ka nito, parang nawawala uli yun. Kasi sabi nga nila, dapat pagkatapos mong kumain talaga magtitira ka ng space sa tiyan mo para sa dessert. So eto yun, nagtira ako ng space sa tiyan ko para matikman ko yung bestseller halo-halo nila. Lalo yung leche plan nila, yung homemade leche plan. Sobrang sarap. Yung oatmeal, yung ubi ice cream. At saka ang dami Ang dami nitong serving nila. Kaya guys, come check it out. Try Halo Halo Benjamin Cafe. Okay, good afternoon. We already done our dinner here in Benjamin Cafe. Sobrang sarap ng food nila. Siya nga pala, ito yung in charge dito sa restaurant ito, o isa sa mga may-ari. So I just want to know, paano ba nag-umpisa ang Benjamin Cafe?
So, it started po during pandemic. Actually, it was through online.
Okay.
Yung po one of the owner, yung po main owner po, is their family started cooking just through online. Just yung, may mga Filipinos po na nag-order po through Messenger, Facebook. And then, after pandemic po, they saw na there's a lot of like volume po ng orders, especially holidays. And then there's no really like a Filipino restaurant like that has a capacity of 50
Yeah.
packs here po sa Victoria.
Yeah.
So we decided po to grab that opportunity to open this Benjamin's Cafe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Saan naman nakuha yung Benjamin's Cafe na yan?
So Benjamin po is the name of the first son
Okay.
of that owner po, of our main owner. So yan po.
Oh,
Just a background story po.
yeah, saan siya sa atin, you know.
Opo, he's 3 years old na right now po. So,
Okay.
that's the reason po nung pandemic po, when they have free time
Yeah.
po during the maternity leave of the mom,
Yeah.
she's cooking,
Oh.
discovering new, mga putahe.
Yan
Yes
dish,
po.
sabi nga nila.
Yeah, mga
Putahe
dish.
nga pala guys, that is like a dish. Kinokorek ko lang kasi Makata to, taga Batangas eh. Kahit pa paano, meron tayong idea and then kung paano nila talaga minahal yung Filipino food, kung paano nila isiniserve sa atin. Kaya nandito kami ngayon para i-introduce or ikalat sa atin, not only for the Filipino people, siyempre sa ibang lahi na ang Filipino dish is one of the good dish around the world anyway.
Yeah,
How long na nga pala nag-run?
We opened last July 1st, last year po.
So 2022.
2023.
2020,
Yeah,
2023? Oh, last year
yeah,
lang.
Yeah, last Canada Day po.
Oh,
Yeah, last year. Canada
bagong-bago tong restaurant na nga pala na to. So, guys, supportahan natin yung mga local businesses, especially itong Filipino restaurant. I guarantee you, pumunta kayo dito, the food is really good. Talagang may pagmamahal, may puso.
Thank you so much.
May puso yung mga pagkain nila, hindi lang yung basta niluto and then sinerve sa tao. So, suportahan natin yun, mga kababayan natin na katulad nito para at least, di ba, mas dumami pa at mas marami pa silang pagkain na ma-serve sa atin na mas masasarap. Saan nga pala yung location nyo?
This one po is, the main location po is 614B Grenville Avenue, Esquimalt, Victoria.
So, ibig sabihin may branch na kayo?
Ano, let's see po.
Oh, wow!
Maybe soon.
So,
Yeah.
watch out that. May kasunod pala tong restaurant na to. So, invite nyo uli
In
nga
God's
pala.
name po.
Yeah. Invite
Yeah.
nyo uli sila.
You can follow us on our Facebook account and Instagram. It's at Benjamin's Cafe Victoria. Yung po mga update, new dishes, we're always posting it there po.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then we also cater special events like wedding,
Okay,
birthday.
okay. So at least 'di ba, alam ng mga kababayan natin na nagki-cater din kayo o a different like siguro pati wedding, pwede
po,
nyo rin
we do. Yeah.
pwede rin nila
We had 6 wedding already.
6 weddings. So
Yes.
so ibig sabihin talagang guaranteed na yung dish nila is talagang patok sa masa o sa public anyway. Not only for the Filipino, this is the chance. And also like tapos na yung pandemic. So come over here in Victoria. Thank you very much and then please subscribe and then follow my page Hunger Dragon Chef, the official chef, Chef Alan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Ang galing. As you